Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, low messy chignon. To start, we're going to take a section of hair from the ear forwards and we're going to do this on both sides of the head. Bring these together at the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Next, with the hair that's hanging down on the left hand side, take a chunk and put your fingers behind that section we've just secured, and then pass that hair up to your fingers and pull it through so it's wrapping around that section. And then just repeat this on the right hand side, so grab a section of hair, pop your fingers behind and pull it through. Push those little twists towards the head and just secure them with a bobby pin. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below, and then just gently loosen up all of the hair so it's not so tight. Take the remaining hair that's hanging down and add a clear elastic band. Make sure you add this an inch or two below the hairline. Now all we're going to do is pop our fingers behind that elastic band, creating a hole going from left to right. Now simply pass that ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through the hole. Then keep repeating this until you run out of hair. Next, we're going to slide a bobby pin into the right hand side and left hand side of that little chignon we just created, just to keep it nice and secure. Add a little bit more texture spray, and then we're just going to take opposite sides of that chignon and just gently pull them outwards to loosen it up a little bit. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.